From protection against illness to disease and injury, public health plays a vital role in the way we live. That's why Governor J.B. Pritzker extended Public Health Week to span the entire month of April.
WIFR News reporter Sydney Stoffregen hears from a local health expert who says the world as we know it depends on these workers.
Public health is everywhere.
7 days isn't enough to highlight all the good public health officials do every day, says Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker. That's why he's dedicated the next 30 days to those who protect us.
I started not really understanding what public health is when I was growing up.
Dr. Hannah Hinkle is the Assistant Dean for Rural Health Professions at the University of Illinois College of Medicine in Rockford.
Public health and rural health are really tied together.
But her passion for caring for the community drove her towards a master's in public health.
If people don't get vaccinated against measles, for example, there's measles outbreaks, there's unintended consequences to that, there's preventable deaths that happen, and so there's just a cascade of issues that could be seen if we didn't have public health in our daily lives.
Hinkle says less than 10% of those who work in a public health department across the nation are not formally trained in public health.
I would hate to think about a world in which public health didn't exist.
That's why she looks to inspire younger generations of health experts like medical student Jacqueline Street.
I am really interested in returning back home to my rural area to be a physician.
Street says public health officials have a reputation for being leaders. It's their voice that can provoke needed change.
The people that notice what public health is lacking in rural areas are those physicians.
In Rockford, Sydney Stoffregen, WIFR News.
The Illinois Department of Public Health will host a job fair in Springfield April 23rd to highlight job opportunities in public health, from working in labs to disease surveillance and protecting the public from foodborne illness.